In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3 integration exercise 3.3 question number 2, and question we have dx divided by, this is important question, x square plus 4x plus 13, right? So I can write down here important. If I say important, it means you have to practice it 10 times. First of all, you have to see that this is the function, whether we have or not the derivative of this function in the numerator. So see, if I will ask you what is the derivative, so derivative of this function should be 2x plus 4, which is not available. So the next is, we will see, can we make the square, complete square of the denominator? Here we will use the formula a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2, instead of a we have x, b we do not have, we have to find out what is b. Here you have to write down a constant number, but when you should multiply these numbers, it should be equal to 4x. So it is very easy, you can write down 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4x. So here we have added 2, it was not in the question, we have added. So same thing, the square of 2 we can add, the square of 2 we can subtract. Technically it does not make any difference because these will cancel out, our question will remains the same. So it is dx, now x plus 2 a plus b whole square, and then this is minus, if we expand this one, we finish from here to here, this is a plus b whole square, minus 4 plus 13. So see, dx x plus 2 whole square plus 9. Here I can write down, then we will move to the next screen. So it is x plus 2 whole square, and this 9 is also the square of 3. Right? Now we will suppose let y is equal to x plus 2 without the power. I told you we have to suppose without the power, without the exponent, whatever is inside the parenthesis. So x plus 2 is the y. So dy, the derivative is 1, right? So here see, it is, sorry, dx. So this is 1 dx. Instead of 1 dx, I can write down dy. Instead of x plus 2, I can write down y. So it will be y square, because the value of y is only x plus 2. So it will be dy divided by y square plus 3 square. So here we are going to use the formula. I will show you. The formula is dx divided by a square plus x square. This is constant, this is variable. If you have 1 divided by constant plus the variable square, you have to expand 1 over a tangent inverse x over a. Right? So here we will use same. Here 3 is constant, y is variable. 1 over 3, 1 over a tangent inverse. Instead of x, we can use y here, y over 3 plus c. But we will not complete our question here, because we have to write down the value of, put the value of y, and y we have supposed y is equal to x plus 2. So instead of this y, we can write down x plus 2 divided by 3 plus c. This is the answer. So see, question is very simple. First of all, you have to see whether the derivative is available in the numerator or not. Then you have to see, can we make the perfect square? So we did like this. So at the end, we found the formula is 1 divided by a square plus b square, or constant plus the variable, right? If you have one term constant, one is variable. This is not a square b square. One is constant, other is the variable. You have to expand like this. Or tangent inverse is also called arctan. If still you have any question, you can ask me, and thanks for watching.